Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about the data uploads. What are the key points that we need to be checked before uploading the data into the SAP system? Generally, data uploads generally the data uploads will play a major role in projects like implementation and rollout, as we will be uploading the legacy data into the SAP system. In this process, we will be converting the legacy data format fields or values into the and then we will be uploading into SAP. In this process, we might get many issues if we do not understand what kind of data is coming from legacy system and how we need to convert that into SAP system. Here, both functional and technical team has to work together to understand the data and the conversion. I am mentioning few points here which functional has to be taken care at time of uploading. The first point, if you see, it's a date format. Generally in SAP there will be different date formats that can be maintained for each user. That means each user in SAP can have different date format based on his country. Like in USA, the date format would be like mm/dd/yy yy. In India kind of countries, it's like dd hyphen yy hyphen mmm dd hyphen hyphen yy. That means date, month, and year. So these kind of things handled in a program might not work if the current SAP project or current program is going to used by different locations, and for that the ABAP consultant has to write a little complex logic to handle any kind of format to convert that into SAP internal format, as that is not necessary because generally in upload programs we will be uploading huge amount of data. So in that cases we should not give any performance load to the upload programs. So by maintaining and passing this date in internal format to the program will help the performance of the program as well as the effort. It will reduce the effort of the ABAP consultant. Next, if the upload is by Excel document, make sure that the entire Excel document is converted into the text format. Like each cell in Excel has to be converted into the text format, because if suppose we are passing a value 00001001 and we are pasting that in Excel, you can observe that preceding zeros will be removed automatically, and that removed data will be sent to the SAP system. So here there is a chance of losing some data. So it is must and it's mandatory to convert the entire Excel document cell format as a text and place the data inside of it. Make sure that all the formats in text format. Next, if any field in SAP has conversion exit, then need to maintain the data in internal format. I will give you a small example. First, let us consider the unit of measurement. Unit of measurements will be having two different values, one for internally storing and other for displaying purpose. So if we try to pass the external format or external value, default data element of unit of measurement, that will convert into a wrong value. Else again he need to do the conversion for that value to convert into the internal format. As I told you, try to possibly give the internal values, as that helps the performance of the report. If you see here, some of the unit of measurement values will be different compared to the internal format. Let us take one small unit of measurement value where that can actually help us. Yes, you can see here this mu L. Previously here we were able to see the different value. I'm just converting it back so that you can observe the difference. So let's find out the value where, yes, see if you see here it's a 4G, but after doing conversion it is displayed like UF. So we should only update the internal value like 4G, else that might result some other unit of measurement after doing the conversions. So this is one of the key aspect. And try to use the tab delimited text files or the text documents rather than using the Excel documents, as uploading of the text documents are much faster than uploading the Excel document, because internally SAP has to convert the binary data of the Excel document into the SAP internal format. And even though if you saw the size of the Excel documents and text documents are much lesser weight than the Excel documents. So try to upload as much as possible using tab delimited text files or comma delimited text files. This is one of the key point that need to be remembered. And one more thing is, like, make sure the BDC programs or upload programs have a test run possibility. And also remember that test run for BDC programs might not be possible in many of the cases. Only for the BAPIs it is possible. So keep this in mind. and make sure the screen configurations of transactions in all the system are in sync, because in case of BDC programs, if any fields which are there in the development which we have done the recording and those fields are missing in the quality system or production system, then the BDC program will fail. So keep in mind that always make this configurations in sync, else we might get some difficulties when executing this BDCs programs. Now, what are the types that we need to suggest in developing the program for the developer? Like maximum case, try to look for the BAPIs. If any standard BAPIs are there to upload the data. If there is no BAPIs, then tell the ABAP consultants to look for the function modules, which means any in the backend any function modules are using to update the data in the transaction. If that case is also not possible, then go for LSMW. If LSMW is not supported for your data, then last go for a BDC programs. Please do not directly go for a BDC programs, as it has many constraints in terms of execution when any system level changes has happened. BAPIs will not affect any of these kind of screen level changes or configuration level changes. So maximum go for the BAPIs. Next, the technical key points. Here, the technical people will be converting the legacy data into the SAP internal format using their logics. Here, the main thing that we need to remember is, if the fields has a conversion exists, try to convert the data into the internal format. If the data is not converted and sent to this programs, then we should must convert that into the internal format. The next one is date, amount, quantity fields. We will be using some internal tables to capture the data, to hold the data at runtime in the program. So that internal table, that table fields, try to take all the fields as character, as there will not be any automatic conversions that applies when uploading the data into the table. Generally, if you observe, if you are using any standard function modules to upload the Excel documents or some kind of thing, the dates and this amounts, these kind of things will automatically convert and placed it in the field if you are using a standard data element. So my suggestion is, try to declare the character format, then convert it into the internal format. Next, when you are passing the data into the screens, BC screen is nothing but a manual transaction that we are running in background multiple times. It's actually a user who is posting multiple data. So when you are passing date, amount and quantity, try to convert them into the external format in the sense with slashes, like that. Date, if the date has internal format, if you pass that internal format to the BDC, then that will throw an error, because unknown date, there is no year called 1015 or something like that. 9999 is the date. So try to convert the date into the external format, which is system external format. You can convert it by using write statement, simple write statement, write whatever the variable, that variable to the destination variable. It will automatically convert the data into the system external format. Then amounts and quantities has remove the extra spaces in the fields in the character format and pass it to the screens. This is one of the key points that we need to do when we are dealing with the BDC programs. And I've given a small example of DTMMYY. So we should convert the internal format into this external format. This date depends on the system. In case of BAPIs, try to convert all the data into the internal format, because BAPI expects the data in internal formats. Example, like material number 1 is different from 00001 in BAPIs. Profit center or cost centers, anything, any value which has a conversion exit, if the value is passing without applying the conversion exit, then it think it has some value, then it will check for that value. So obviously, generally in many cases it will not be finding that value, so it will be throwing error, unknown value 11101. So try to convert all the data into the internal format and use it in the BAPIs, pass to the BAPIs. And carefully pass the data into the tables. If you are using the BAPIs, means in many of the programs, by time or by less in development time, we would be not taking care of clear statements in the loops, or passing duplicate values one after the other. So try to be very careful when we are passing the values into the BAPI tables. And same in case of BDCs also, try not to pass without clearing the old values. Okay, every time we need to clear that, otherwise the inconsistent data will be uploaded, and again we should be working hard to revert them back. And very important thing in case of uploads is, for technical team, we should get possible test data for different cases of the program, of the transaction, because initially for testing purpose we might take one or two test cases to test the BAPIs or BDCs. But remember that in SAP, based on the different case, there are few fields become mandatory and system will expect some data. So try to take all the possible test data from the functional and get all the possible scenarios from functional and try to apply in the program. Else the program might move to the quality for one or two scenarios and it will be successful, where other scenarios it might fail. So this is very important thing that even functional and technical has to take care, that the possible test cases has to be handled through the programs. Thank you very much. Hope many of the people knows it, but it's my key points that uh, uh, I used to remember and we used to apply in case of the data upload programs. Thank you very much. And for any suggestions and comments, please comment on the below video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.